Hi everyone, I'm Yeo. In this video I will show you how to properly install Node.js on your Mac or Linux machine. If you're a Windows user and do not want to use Windows Subsystem for Linux or WSL, you should look at the next video that's just dedicated for you. Now, probably that your first reflex will be to open a browser and Google for Node.js, and then download maybe the official installer from the Node.js website. But there are multiple problems with this approach. The first problem is permissions. When you will try to install global Node.js tools using the CLI, you will most likely run into permission issues. And using sudo to install Node.js package will often end up in a permission mess that you already don't want to troubleshoot. Trust me, I've been there. The second issue is updating. The Node.js platform is evolving quickly, and at some point you'll probably want to update your Node.js install. But if you use the Node.js installer, you'll have to reinstall everything from scratch again, and that's not really convenient. So now I'll show you another way to install Node.js on your machine. Type in nvm and open this GitHub repository. nvm stands for Node Version Manager. It's a set of shell scripts that will manage your Node.js installation, allowing you to quickly update or switch Node.js version if you have, for example, multiple projects that each require a different Node.js version. And the best thing is that your Node.js install will sit right into your home folder, so you won't run into any permission issues. Now scroll down to the installation instruction and copy this command here and paste it into your favorite terminal. It will download and run the script directly from GitHub and install nvm on your machine. Now you have another step to follow in order to finish your nvm install. You have to put this script here into your shell profile. So let's copy that. Depending on your setup, this file may change. For Bash users, this file sits into your home folder and is named .bash_profile. I paste the script here, save the file, and now either you reboot your terminal or you can use the source command to just update your current terminal environment. And now we have the nvm tool installed. But what we really want is Node.js. So there's one more command to type. Use nvm install --lts to install the long-term support version of Node.js. It will download and install it on your machine just like that. Once the download is finished, you can type in node-v to just check that your Node.js installation is working. And now you have Node.js properly installed on your machine. See you in the next video!